Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Inshot and creating a photo project so you can control layout from the outset. Choose your images and immediately reorder them by dragging. This sets visual flow, which matters for composition. Once done, pick a canvas ratio like 1 for social posts, 4:5 for portraits, or 16:9 for widescreen. This determines cropping and export settings. Make sure to lock your chosen ratio early, because it affects later crop and filter behavior and saves time during detailed edits. Now you refine exposure and color to make the photo look intentional. Tap Edit, then Adjust. Increase brightness or contrast to enhance depth, and tweak saturation to avoid oversaturation. Subtle changes read as professional. Use highlights and shadows to recover blown areas or bring out texture, and sharpen sparingly so you don't introduce noise. Once done, apply a filter to establish mood, but reduce its intensity to around 20 to 40%, so the effect supports the image rather than overpowering it. Finish by perfecting composition, cleaning small flaws, and exporting for use. Crop and straighten to align with the rule of thirds and remove unwanted edges. This tightens your subject. Use erase or clone to remove tiny distractions. Work in small steps and undo when necessary because overtouching looks fake. Finally, export. Pick JPG or PNG, set quality between 80 and 100% depending on size needs, and save to gallery. Troubleshooting tip. If quality drops, re-export at higher quality or check canvas ratio before saving.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.